Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about pattern making tools. And the first tool we talk about is the tape measure. Tape measure is very important in making pattern. It's used for taking measurements on a person and also measuring on the pattern paper. We have two types. I think there may be other types too. This one is the 120-inch, very long, and we have the 60-inch tape as well. No, because the 60-inch is a bit shorter, it's very comfortable to work with. And the next two is scissors. You need scissors to cut on fabric, you need scissors to cut on pattern papers as well. It's always advisable to get two different scissors, one for cutting the paper and another for cutting the fabric, because after cutting papers for a very long time, the scissors get blunt. That's why it's advisable to get one scissor purposely for cutting papers. Now, another tool we talk about is pencil. You need a pencil to draw on the papers, and also need your sharpener to sharpen your pencils. Don't forget to get one, and probably an eraser in case you make mistake on the paper, you'll be able to erase it easily. Then let's talk about tracing wheels. This is, imagine you have a drafted pattern already and you want to draft another one, maybe the same measurement. You don't need to start all over and draft. You just have to put the first one on another paper and use the tracing wheel to trace on it to be able to get another one. It also can also be traced on fabric as well. We have the wheel here. Very easy to use. And then we have your pins to pin your fabric to the paper or just to pin two fabrics together. We have other pins too. We have the straight one. This one is very easy to use and a bit comfortable compared to the other ones. And then you need your, this is compass. It's used in making corset. Some people, it is not really important anyway. You might not need it, but if you get one, it will make the work very easier. And then a long rule. This rule is how long? 39-inch rule. 39-inch rule. In case you need to make a very long line on a pattern paper, then you get yourself this rule. It makes the work very easier and simple. Then we have our tailor's chalk. It comes in different colors. Depending on the color of the fabric, you need one to be able to mark on the fabric before cutting. Now let's talk about our French curves. French curves are very important. It makes the drafting very easier and faster. The first one we talk about is the L shape. This is L shape or the flex general rule. This rule is used to make straight lines. If you want to make a line very accurate, then you go for the L shape to be able to make a very straight line. Then we have the sleigh. We have the sleigh curve. It's transparent. I hope you'll be able to see it. This is the sleigh curve, or you can call it armhole curve. This is used to make armholes and then shape necklines as well. And then we have the variform curve rule. Variform curve rule. This is also used to blend and shape necklines and armholes. It's very long. This is how it looks like. You have the hip curve. Look at the shape of a hip. This is the hip curve. It's used to, as the name goes, is to shape hip curves. Yeah, so this is used to rule or shape hip line, hems. And we have a short rule to make short lines. This is a straight rule to make short lines. And most importantly, you need your paper. I don't have a big one here with me. You need your pattern papers. It comes in brown and white. We have the thin and the thick one. So if you want to keep your pattern for a very long time, it's always advisable to go for the thick one. That one lasts a bit longer before it gets torn off. So we have other French curves anyway, but basically these are the ones you need to draft basic bodies. Okay, there are other curves for different kinds of shapes and lines, but these are the common ones, like the basic ones you need as a beginner to draft your basic bodies. Okay, these are this. We have them here. So this is it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Our next video, we're going to draft a basic bodice. Very simple and easy. So watch out for my next video. Thank you once again for watching. Please subscribe to my page, like, share, and comment. If you have any question at all, go to the comment section and put it there. I'll read it and answer you. Thank you.